Good morning, YouTube. Today, we're not going to work on the Ferrari. Unfortunately, there's nothing wrong with the car at the moment, or I guess I should say, fortunately. So instead, hold on, gotta change hats. Yeah, we're going to work on some America cars. Yes, we got America Supercar. Well, okay. Some people say it's not a supercar, but it's pretty super. So is it like super space car or supercar? Whatever. Anyway, we're going to work on a Dodge Viper GTS. It's going to be cool. So it should be here any minute. Just waiting for Omar to get here, and then we're going to start wrenching.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
There it is. Ah, Viper. Viper! You're good. I love that lope.
It's fat.
It's fat. So the plan is to attempt to do the ball joints and wheel bearings on the front, right?
Yeah, just the front.
Is it upper and lower ball or just upper?
So I know for a fact that the upper ones are the ones that are but I bought the lower ones anyway.
Okay.
Because like one of them are press in, the other one are screw. So I figure like you're already in there, right? Like,
Right. Yeah, we'll give it a shot.
Classic while you're in there syndrome.
Yep. All right, cool. Dude, this thing actually has a reasonable trunk.
Yeah, I mean it can hold a lot of shit. It's like definitely good for grocery trips.
Yeah, not bad. Dodge Durango has the same ball joints.
Dodge Durango, same ball joints. They can just pick these bad boys up from AutoZone.
Like $5.
Like pretty much.
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan. This is my garage, and we talk all about the supercar ownership experience, working on them, maintaining them, buying and selling them, all that sort of stuff. Today, we're going to be working on this Dodge Viper. I think this is a supercar. I know, whatever, semantics. What year is it?
96.
96 Viper. Gonna do the wheel bearings, gonna do the ball joints, make them good. I guess they're bad. Making all sorts of clunkety clunks and stuff.
Dude.
All right.
I feel like a 67-year-old abuelita in a 1999 Ford Expedition that has 333,000 miles on it right now, because that's like the sound of my childhood. So like that's what I'm
That's our
feeling.
noise.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yes.
So we're gonna put some quick jacks under here. What are you saying about this? America. So we were looking at the hub assembly is one whole unit, and it's already got the bearing and it's already got the nut on there, so we don't actually need to pull that at all. All right, let's break those wheel nuts loose first.
See that record-breaking pit stop last year?
There we go. I'm laughing because all my standard, my US stuff, the inch stuff, is getting used today instead of all the metric crap. Having to remember a lot of fractions and stuff today. We will now lift.
You get one of the double.
I'm assuming they need a
Wheels are relatively.
Not too bad. First thing we're gonna do is get this caliper off. Once we get the caliper off, we can pull the rotor off. Then we can undo the 4 bolts on the hub, which they're all in the back there. I know. I can't really get the camera in there. Just trust me, we know what we're doing.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
There it goes. Bravo.
Yeah, I think we're good.
Clonk. It's not too bad, but you already got them.
Ball joints
Yeah,
is
I mean
probably-
we're in there. Like
Yeah. I mean, you
We're
can
in
feel
there.
a tiny
You shouldn't
bit.
be able to move it that fast, I thought.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Because that
It's-
bearing is loose.
well, the grease is gone or heated up anyway.
This will move like that?
No, but the grease is heated up.
Okay. Sure.
But you don't hear any noise.
Yeah. Yeah, the worst thing was
Huh?
the ball joints.
Oh, you can hear it. Hear it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's good.
You shouldn't.
We shouldn't hear that.
24 years old, like let's
Yeah.
let's just go ahead.
Yeah.
Not-
There's the 4 bolts that hold on the wheel bearing assembly, so we just got to pop those off.
That upper ball joint looks more collapsed than a f***ing junkie to me, dude.
You've been waiting to say that one, haven't you?
No, I just like I literally like I saw that and I was like, my God, dude. That was just the first thing that came to mind.
That's one of those where you like think of something, you're like, oh, I gotta use this sometime.
No, that was
6 months.
The perfect moment. Ta-da! Oh,
New gas.
it is busted.
oh yeah.
Look at that grease coming out. All right, so we gotta pull the cotter pin. Now we got it nice and shiny. There it is, the cotter pin.
That was such
There it goes.
basically
Oh.
just
That came way easier than expected. I was about ready to fully refund it. I was like, no.
We
Here's Daniel.
We're gonna jack some shit up. It's about right.
take 2.
Take 2.
All those trolls out there that think there's many takes.
Yeah, you know, right?
You
Okay.
don't have a big pickle fork?
I don't have a pickle fork. I don't think I got. We're gonna have to get a pickle fork.
Roll out from there you go.
Nope. You want to tap on it?
yeah, I can do
I'll
that.
hold it. Just don't hit my face. Damn, dude.
Damn.
Wait. Oh, dude, it's actually got a socket for it.
What, this?
See that? Yeah. Oh, no way.
Clean your shit? Breaker bar! I told you.
No. Breaker bar. All right, we have a dilemma. So we need a 1/2 inch to 3/4 adapter or a 3/4 inch breaker bar to get the damn thing loose. Probably should look for a pickle fork too. We'll take a look. We're gonna run into the parts store. We'll be back.
A few moments later.
Yeah, it works. All right, we've got the. Is that all the far? That's there. Yeah, I was gonna say that isn't all the way. All right. Well, we're gonna attempt to just air gun it out. Yeah, it's a tight fit.
Okay.
Yeah, you want some safety glasses?
It's probably a good idea.
Okay.
20.
Let her rip. Oh, it's moving. Need my power. My power, baby.
Power.
You need to protect your ears, Captain. All of you.
Huh? I can't hear what you're saying. Yo, give me 120.
More power, baby.
More power! Hold on, wait. It's just catching on the stupid boot. I think it's all the way up.
It's solid now.
Use the metal.
See that? Look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go down with it now.
Yeah.
That was my elbow, by the way.
Oh, was it? Fuck.
Getting old. Oh.
Oh, was that your elbow too?
Try the shot
This one
put.
would be better.
Yeah, try
What's it
it.
called? Yeah.
Shot put. Or dead blow for those of
You're not gonna be
those
able to press it in,
pedantic
you gotta-
bastards. You film. I'll hit.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah. Turn it more this way.
No, don't let Omar hold that while you hit it.
Yes, you do.
Daniel!
I honestly think we should have
Oh,
done
this
this
is,
before.
Monkeys football.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've run into a problem and we don't think we have the right tools to solve it. Effectively, what we're trying to do is push, see this pin right here, between the two control arms. That pin is a press fit into the lower control. Basically, you need a tool that looks kind of like this to slide in like that and then be able to push on the bottom side of the pin right there. We only have a simple press that does not have these like little fork prong like things to get in there. Our pickle fork, wherever it is, we've destroyed basically because it just doesn't fit. So we're gonna try running and seeing if we can find a tool like this.
Round 2. Fight.
All right, so yeah, I was like testing this tool out and it just boink, and it popped out. Look at this. It's so loose, I can literally screw it with my fingers now. You can see it's pushing out the pin, the press fit. All right, we finally got this godforsaken thing out. Oh, it's only been like 4 hours. Ladies and gentlemen, that piece of crap is out. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh. Yes, screw you. You have been a pain in our ass for a very long time tonight. Piece of, holy crap, look how much it dented it.
Yeah,
That's intense.
it's quite the number that got done on that.
Ugh. Bye. Okay, so we got the new ball joint. This part goes in like so. I just didn't want to cross thread that.
Yeah.
Be like, guess what? Your control arm is permanent. There we go.
Going down.
Yep.
75 foot-pounds of torque.
We torqued the castle nut to 75 foot-pounds. Got this guy tightened really tight. It's, I think, 160 foot-pounds. So I just put the breaker bar in it and went to town on it. So I need to put the cotter pin into the castle nut, which is down here.
The instructions specifically say do not loosen.
So go to the next one. Greased up. I think it's time for the wheel hub. All right, we got all the ball joint stuff together. We're gonna put in the new wheel hub with the wheel bearing. Gotta get just right. Oh, let's look up the torque specs on these.
Oh yeah.
All right, we're gonna attempt to torque the wheel hub down to 45 foot-pounds. It's a little tricky getting in here. And then if I saw correctly, I think the caliper was
85.
Oh, it's 85. Okay, I thought it was 65. Okay, 85. There. Okay. Jeez. Okay. Now that we got the driver's side done, we're moving on to the passenger side. I think we're gonna be able to get this one done in about an hour now that we got the right tools and the right skills. Megan just yelled at me for not wearing hearing protection.
Yeah. What? Yeah.
So we're wearing hearing protection now.
Oh hey, it came off.
Alright, for all you pedantic motherfuckers, we're cleaning this thing. So it'll be nice and shiny.
Shinier, I'm not gonna.
Shinier.
Not gonna-
Yeah, not perfect, but better. Better.
Substantially better.
These things are a bitch. God. A pain in the butt. Good thing we ate our Wheaties, because holy shit, that's so hard. Alright, it's in there. I just gotta put the rest of the shit on there. I'm tired.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on a minute. There it is. America. She's all done. Alright, let's get her back on the ground and then let's go shoot some fireballs down. Alright, we're going for a Viper ride. No pops, huh?
Like, yeah.
Nice and smooth.
Oh yeah.
Much
Oh
better.
my god.
Action.
Oh dude, that's like so much satisfaction right now. I literally want to cry. That light stayed green for like 2 seconds.
Yeah. sounds so interesting. Well, it goes to show you just gotta have the right tools to do the job. So as soon as we got the right press, it was like not too bad at all. We were able to do the second ball joint in probably an hour, and the first one took us like 5 or 6. So pretty sad the difference amount of time it takes once you know what you're doing and once you have the right tools. So what do you guys think of the Viper? Are you guys Viper fans? Actually, when I was a kid, that was always like my dream car. But then I went to the Ferrari Viper Challenge. And then, well, they had 355s running around, and you know they were screaming, and it was like, oh yeah, that's what I want. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget, go visit my website. Oh, I can hear them. I totally could hear him. Go visit my website, normalguysupercar.com. Sign up for my email list. Buy some of my merch. If you do those things, you're automatically entered to win any of my contests coming up. Also, if you happen to have a supercar for sale, you can list that car for sale on my website for free. Yes, absolutely free. I also offer consultation services for any of you looking to buy a supercar. So if that's something you're interested in, hit me up and visit my website under the shopping section. You can see what I have to offer. We're going to be doing a lot of car stuff. It's going to be sweet.